Right, so I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to get as much light as I can. But look at that. Look at all the snow going down. Like a second ago, you see the footprints, they're all getting covered over. Look at that. I've got my little torch. This is about, I don't know, a couple of minutes worth of snow here. It's really coming down. It's bloody freezing. Now let's see if you can see anything better. No, you need the torch. You can only see that tiny little. Now it's coming around to my house, and down there you can see my footprints. There we go. Look at that. I was just going over just now. A car just went by a couple of seconds ago, and look at that. Already, they're all getting covered over. Now, I'm not quite sure if you can see me, but there's me, kind of covered in snow. Can you see me? I can't really see it. Anyway, there's oh, look at it coming down. Let's look directly into it. Holy hell! It's so cold. I'm going inside.